In this video, I'll show you how you can reset your PowerPoint to the default settings. First, what you want to do is you want to head down here and search for regedit, and there will be a registry editor. Now, once you open this, you will now come to this. On the left-hand side, you want to locate software and you want to open it. Then all of these will open and you want to search for Microsoft. Now under Microsoft, you want to scroll down until you find Office. And under Office, there'll be a folder called 16.0. You want to open up that. And under 16.0, you will have a folder called PowerPoint. Now what you want to do is simply right click on it and delete the PowerPoint folder. Now what this will do is when you open up the PowerPoint the next time, you have now deleted all of the things that you had on the old PowerPoint, so it will start a completely new one. So that's basically how you can reset your entire PowerPoint to the default settings. Now if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.